Salam everybody, this is Investor Sheikh back at it again with another video. Today's halal stock pick of the week is Celsius, ticker symbol CELH. As you can see here, this is a sparkling beverage that is also an energy drink. So in a way, it's competing with other beverages such as Reign, Red Bull, Monster, etc. So looking at the stock price, it's at $52.12 and it is Sharia compliant. So the key stats are it has a $4 billion market cap, no dividend, a 52-week low of $41 and a high of $110. And no PE ratio or earnings per share. So looking at that 52-week high, it is less than half from where it is right now. That is insane when you think about it. But it did have a rough 3 months as the stock lost 45% of its value in the past 3 months. So if you were buying Celsius stock around the 90s or 100, you had a rude awakening to see it drop to the 50s. So what is Celsius Holdings, you may ask? Well, I'm on Muslim Exchange right now, and the description is Celsius Holdings is engaged in the development, marketing, sale, and distribution of functional, calorie-burning fitness beverages under the Celsius brand name. The company's products are sweetened with sucralose, which is suitable for consumers whose sugar intake is restricted. The company's Celsius brand uses ingredients and supplements such as green tea, ginger, calcium, chromium, B vitamins, and vitamin C. The company outsources the manufacturing process to third-party co-packers. It offers Celsius brand in various flavors, including carbonated flavors such as orange, wild berry, and cola, and non-carbonated green tea raspberry acai and green tea peach mango. Its beverages are sold in 12-ounce cans. It also markets the ingredients in powdered form in individual on-the-go packets, as well as multiple serving canisters. It sells Celsius brand across retail segments, which include supermarkets and convenience stores. So, I don't know if you've been to the store and perhaps you've seen the Celsius drinks next to the energy drinks, and they are nationwide. And the fact that this company is trying to make energy drinks that are low in sugar, but also provide vitamins to really enhance your workouts is a good message. So looking at the business screen, it does pass the business screen. And it does pass the financials as the debt to assets is well below the 33% threshold, and the cash to assets is slightly at the threshold at 32.9%. So it does pass the financial screens on Muslim Exchange, and it does meet all three rankings: FTSE, AAO, IFI, and DJIM. So it is Sharia compliant by all three standards. So that's good to see. That's good to know. And let's take a look at the stock price and see how it has grown in the past year. So you do see a big decline in the 1 day, but let's zoom out to 1 year. And the stock price where it's at right now is similar to where it was back in April 7th of last year. And since then, the stock has had a rally all the way up to $110, only for it to have a big drop. And this is common amongst a lot of growth stocks. But when you zoom out even further, the stock, it was basically a penny stock in 2017. So the company hasn't had a really huge reach back then. And if you were investing in the stock back in 2017, you may have been unsure as to what the future would have been. So to see it go from $3 to $110 is a big deal. So it's been like in the penny stock territory for all of 2017, 18, and 19. And it was only during 2020 when we started to see the stock get some momentum, to see it go all the way up to $110. So to see it drop over 50% from its high, it does pose as a good buying opportunity, especially if you have done the research and you're familiar with the company. It may not be a bad idea to dollar cost average. So the 1-year target estimate, according to analysts, is $110. So let's take a look at what the analysts have to say. So it is between a buy and a strong buy, with price targets as low as $90 and as high as $130. So according to what the analysts are saying, you could be getting this stock at a really good price if you bought it at $50. But we don't know how low this stock could go, as a lot of growth stocks are crashing, and it's really hard to tell when the bottom is going to occur. So if you do want to build a position, it wouldn't hurt to start now, and in case the stock price does dip further, you can dollar cost average, so that way you can ride through this bear market. And let's take a look at the earnings and how they've performed. So as you see here, year after year revenue growth. This is amazing growth. This is why Celsius stock had that upward momentum, is because they are pushing good numbers year after year. And then looking at the quarterly, there you go again, quarter after quarter growth, and we have positive earnings. So that's really good to know. And let's take a look at the financials. So this company is profitable, unlike a lot of growth stocks. So to see the stock price drop significantly, yet the company is still posting profitability, does make it seem like an attractive stock to buy. So it is profitable, which is good. And then looking at the balance sheet, they have $131 million in assets and $26.9 million in liabilities. So the assets greatly outnumber the liabilities, which is really good. So in addition, with the $8.9 million in net income, this company does look attractive given the financials. So it's a possibility that supply chain issues could be causing short-term problems for the company, which would explain the stock price dropping. But I really do believe that this company has a really bright future and may take up a significant chunk in the energy drink market share, considering that they are producing energy drinks that are sugar-free and contain essential vitamins to help increase your energy. Because honestly, when you drink Red Bull or Monster, it's high in sugar and it's not good for you long term. But this drink wants to be a drink for brand loyal individuals. So this could be a drink that one might keep buying for years on end, which is what Celsius is anticipating. And I mean, they're all over the stores right now. So you can go to your local supermarket and you can definitely find a 12-pack of Celsius. Now, as always, I'm not a financial advisor, so please don't buy Celsius stock simply because I'm talking about it. Please do your own research, and if you like what you see, consider adding this stock to your watch list. This is Investor Shake, checking out.